My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, the month of Sfar has drawn near to us. Maybe another week or so, the Sfar will start. This is the month which is taken as a bad omen by some people. Superstitions or irrational fear of what is unknown or mysterious, especially in connection with religion, are completely rejected by Islam. All these customs or beliefs which were prevalent in Jahiliyyah, the days of ignorance, are strongly condemned by Allah and His Messenger. One such custom existed with respect to the month of Sfar among the people of the days of ignorance. It was regarded as a bad omen by some people, while others took it to be the herald of goodness. This led to the detestable practice of shifting the months around. Allah rejected this custom and stated that this shifting of the month was a cause for further kufr. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Innaman nasi'u ziyadatun fil kufr. Similarly, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam condemned the practice of taking Sfar to be good or bad luck, and he rejected the habit of associating sorrows and grief with it. Once Muhammad bin Rashid told Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that people were taking an ill omen from the entrance of the month of Sfar. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There is no ill omen in Sfar." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, taking omens by the flight of birds is shirk. He repeated this 3 times. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there is nothing that Allah would not remove from us if we had trust in Him. In Bukhari Sharif, there is a hadith narrated by Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala an, in which Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam says, La adwa, wala tiyara, wala hammata, wala safar. There is no spreading of disease from one person to another except with Allah's permission. Neither is there any taking of omens from the flight of birds, nor any evil in the sounding of the owl, and neither there is an ill fortune in the month of Sfar. There are various explanations of this hadith. The word tiyara, denoting evil omen associated with the flight of birds, and the word hamat, meaning owl, relate to the belief of the Arabs of the period of ignorance. They believe that after a person dies, his or her soul enters in a bird. While some use birds to determine good or bad omen, They also considered the owl itself as a bad omen. And if it sat on someone's house, it is a sign of death for the resident of that house. This kind of belief is contrary to the teaching of Islam.